SEMAC is a leading manufacturer and distributor of high-frequency wood gluing machines in Vietnam. With over 2 decades of operation and product development, our high-frequency gluing machines are now present across Vietnam and are trusted and utilized by many countries worldwide. Each of our machines is manufactured strictly adhering to a rigorous process. The machine frame structure is engineered for maximum stability, ensuring absolute reliability even in demanding production environments. Before leaving the factory, every single machine undergoes continuous performance testing, and video documentation of this testing is provided to the customer. This guarantees the uniformity of quality upon handover and commissioning at the manufacturing plant. Thanks to these clear procedures and standard-compliant components, SEMAC's high-frequency wood gluing machines consistently stand as the preferred choice in lamination and panel-making facilities, successfully penetrating high-standard markets such as the United States and various European countries. Welcome to SEMAC high-frequency wood gluing technology at the Malaysia Woodworking exhibition this November.